met you on a warm summer night. Stars were shining, everything felt right. The way you smiled, I knew I was through. Caught in a moment, falling for you. And though we're dancing through the highs and lows, every touch feels like the first time we've known. When you hold me close, I forget the rest. In your arms, I find my heart at its best. I'm falling for you, falling so fast. Every moment with you, I want it to last. Through the ups and the downs, we're writing our story. With you by my side, it feels like pure glory. I'm falling for you. Falling for you. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we fight, but in your eyes everything feels right. We're learning and growing together, we're strong. Every beat of my heart says you're where I belong. And though we're dancing through the highs and lows, every touch feels like the first time we've known. When you hold me close, I forget the rest. In your arms, I find my heart at its best. I'm falling for you, falling so fast. Every moment with you, I want it to last. Through the ups and the downs, we're writing our story. With you by my side, it feels like pure glory. I'm falling for you. Falling for you. We'll face the storms and the calm hand in hand. In this journey of love we'll always stand. With each heartbeat, with every kiss, I'm reminded of how you're my sweetest bliss. I'm falling for you, falling so fast. Every moment with you, I want it to last. Through the ups and the downs, we're writing our story. With you by my side, it feels like pure glory. I'm falling for you. Falling for you. So let's keep falling with hearts open wide. In this dance of love, we'll always confide. I'm falling for you, it's where I wanna be.